Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can create a Couchsurfing account. Now to do that, first thing is you need to download the application from your phone device. If you are using an Android device, you can tap upon the Google Play Store and from there you can download the Couchsurfing application. If you are using the iOS, you need to go and tap on the App Store and download the app from there. So once you download the app, you tap upon the application. Couchsurfing is a hospitality exchange service by which user can request free short-term homestays or interact with other people who are interested in travel. It is accessible via website or mobile application. Here, you can tap on continue with Facebook if you want to log in into the Couchsurfing through Facebook account. We're gonna go with the email one, so tap on join Couchsurfing, which will begin the registration for a new account. Now you type in the first name, type in the last name, then type in the birthday, choose the gender and city you live in, then tap on continue. Now you need to provide the email address, then you type in the password and then tap on agree over here on the checkbox. Once all that is done, you tap on create account. And just after that, your account for the Couchsurfing will be created. This is the way how you can log into the Couchsurfing. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.